Christmas is a special holiday celebrated on December 25th each year. It's a time when people gather to share joy, give presents, decorate their homes, and enjoy the company of family and friends. People celebrate Christmas in different ways around the world. Each place has its own unique traditions that make the holiday magical and fun. Here are some popular ways people celebrate Christmas. People decorate their homes, inside and out, with colorful lights, wreaths, and sparkling decorations. Many families put up a Christmas tree. They add twinkling lights, shiny ornaments, candy canes, and a bright star or angel on top. Stockings are hung by the fireplace or on a wall, waiting to be filled with small treats and surprises. Tasty holiday treats are everywhere. Families bake cookies, make gingerbread houses, and sip warm drinks. People sing Christmas songs, called carols, to spread holiday cheer. Christmas cards are sent to friends and family to say, "Merry Christmas." Building snowmen is a favorite Christmas activity for everyone when there's snow. Some families watch Christmas movies together, snuggle up, and enjoy the warmth of the fireplace. Santa Claus is one of the most beloved symbols of Christmas. Santa Claus is a jolly old man with a big belly and a red suit. He lives far away in the North Pole with Mrs. Claus, cheerful elves, and his magical reindeer. Santa has a special job. He watches over children around the world, encouraging kindness and good deeds. Children love to write letters to Santa Claus, telling him about their wishes, favorite toys, and all the good things they've done throughout the year. His elves work hard to make toys and presents for all the boys and girls. On Christmas Eve, Santa Claus loads up his big red bag with presents and hops in his sleigh. His reindeer, led by Rudolph with his bright red nose, help him fly through the night sky. When Santa arrives at each house, he lands his sleigh on the roof. Magically, he goes down the chimney or finds a secret way inside. He leaves presents under the tree and small gifts inside the stockings. Children often leave out cookies and milk for Santa to enjoy, and sometimes a snack for the reindeer too. However you celebrate, may your holiday be filled with love, laughter, and a little bit of magic. Get our 25 Days of Christmas activities for free by scanning the QR code below.